The points on a linear graph are shown in the table. We have the table here showing the x and y coordinates. Find the gradient or slope of the line. This is a multiple choice question, so you will solve the question and after that you will pick the correct option. These are the coordinates of some points that fall on a given line. The question wants us to use the information in this table to calculate the gradient or the slope of the line. The gradient or slope of the line is given by the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So to get the gradient or the slope, we will need 2 points that fall on the line. So here we can pick any 2 points. We can either pick the first one and the second one, or the second one and the third one, or the first one and the third one. Any of them will work. But here I'm going to use the first one and the second one. So I'll use the second one as my x2, y2, and the first one as my x1, y1. So I'll substitute this information into the formula. The gradient is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I'm using the second one as my x2, y2. So the y2 will be 5.20 and the first one as my x1, y1. So the y1 will be 3.90 divided by the x2, which is 6.85 minus the x1, which is 6.20. This will give us 2. So it means that the gradient of the line is 2. When we look through the options, you can see that the correct option is C.